1000-watt stainless steel microwave oven with 1 cubic foot interior. Touchpad controls with LCD, 25 pre-programmed settings, 10 power levels. 8 presets with serving size options, 2-stage cooking operation. 2 defrost functions, 12-inch glass turntable, instructions and recipes included. Product built to North American Electrical Standards. Weight, 33.5 pounds. Dimensions, 20.50 by 15.25 by 12.80. Stylish chrome handle, limited 3-year warranty, BPA-free. 25 pre-programmed settings and a hygienic, odor-resistant interior put the Cuisinart Stainless Steel Microwave in a class of its own. The easy-to-sanitize stainless steel interior is the ideal cooking environment, with 1 cubic foot of space for your family's needs. Preprogrammed one-touch controls guarantee everything from reheating coffee, to defrosting cutlets, to cooking fish, or making crispy bacon is done right. This 1000-watt oven lets you cook a meal from scratch, and make it a little healthier without oil or butter. With its stainless steel interior, stainless steel door, and sleek touchpad, this next generation of microwave has a 2-stage cooking option to seamlessly switch from defrost to cooking. Top reviews from the United States. Handsome appliance, built to last, easy to use, powerful. This purchase is of the exact same model Cuisinart microwave that I bought 13 years ago. And the only reason I am replacing my old one is because the turntable recently stopped rotating. That being said, it's still microwaving and all the other functions are still up and running. I took my time browsing all the new microwaves on the market before deciding to buy the same make and model Cuisinart I've come to depend on. It's a large microwave and it's powerful. The digital soft push panel is easy to operate and keep clean. I enjoy the auto defrost feature and the pre-programmed fast cook settings like popcorn, fresh veggies, baked potatoes, to name a few. The large interior fits full-size plates, so reheating leftovers like casseroles is easy. The interior is easy to clean and has a bright light. I also think it's a good-looking appliance and solidly built. All microwaves make noise when running, but I find this one to be one of the less annoying and lower decibels. I think the fact that my old one it's still working well after a decade, except for the turntable, says more about the quality than I can. I would never have chosen the exact same appliance this time around if I wasn't as pleased as I am. So if you're looking for a full-size microwave from a brand that is synonymous with cooking, check this Cuisinart microwave out. I think you'll like it as much as I do. I hope my experience helps you out a bit with your choice. Thank you.